Thought for the day, Tuesday, August the 6th. Face all that happens with courage. For the high priest we have is not incapable of feeling our weaknesses with us, but has been put to the test in exactly the same way as ourselves, apart from sin. Hebrews chapter 4, verse 15. St. Paul introduces us to Jesus priest, the true, perfect priest, Son of God, but made man like us. He is in a position to understand us deeply and to take us to the Father. Becoming man, Jesus shared all the consequences of our human condition with us. Like us, he experienced limit, fatigue, weakness, hunger, thirst, tiredness, poverty, hostility from adversaries, fear, anguish. As our brother, he is moved to infinite understanding and the wish to come to the aid of our weaknesses. If Jesus acts like this with us, which should our attitude towards him be? Great love, trust and optimism. Therefore, in the face of resistance and difficulties which we may at times encounter, and above all, in the face of our falls, it will make no sense to look back on the past, and there must be no room for discouragement, but just trust, infinite trust. How can we live this word? Let's never be discouraged. Let's never tired of renewing our resolutions and efforts. Always start again. Chiara Lubich. Excerpts from the Commentary on the Word of Life of October 1988.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.